Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is JoyBNaturals and it's so good to have you here. If you're watching this video for the first time, please kindly subscribe to this channel and also hit that like button, turn on your notification bell so that each time I post a video you'll be notified. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to moisturize your hair for optimum length retention. So we all want to retain length, but we must know that moisture is the secret to length retention and longer hair. Moisturized hair is more elastic, so if your hair is more elastic, it's less prone to breakage and tangles. This means that moisture helps you to retain length. So as you can see, my hair is so super dry and it's very tasty. It needs to be moisturized because a dry hair, like I always say, is recipe for breakage. So we don't want to break any of our hair, so we have to keep our hair moisturized at all times. So I first go in by hydrating my scalp before I apply my oil. It's very important to keep your hair moisturized at all times if you want to see your hair grow. A good moisturizing routine helps your hair to thrive, keep your hair smooth and bouncy. So I always like to go in with my peppermint oil. You can use any essential oil of your choice, but I love peppermint oil because it helps fight any kind of scalp issue like dry scalp irritation, itchiness, and flaky scalp and dandruffs and all that. So I like to go in with that first by putting a few drops in on the palms of my hands and adding some carrier oils. In this case I'm using my D.I.Y Clove Oil. I have a link to that in the description box on how I make that, so you can go check that out, or I will leave it in the cards on your screen. You can click on that also. It will take you right to that video. So I mix it up because using peppermint oil alone on your scalp is not advisable. It's a very potent essential oil, so you want to mix it with any other oil of your choice. So I do that and I circulate it around my scalp and massage it in properly. Guys, this is the magic for any kind of itchiness you're feeling in your scalp. Just do this. You will discover that the itchiness has just disappeared. So this is one recipe you need for itchy scalp. Peppermint oil mixed with any carrier oil of your choice. So after massaging my scalp, I go ahead to hydrate my hair and work it in. If you notice, I'm kind of squeezing it in because I need the water to soak in, and I'm not applying much water, just a spritz of the water. That is why you need a spray bottle in order to do this. You don't want to just saturate your hair with water. You just dampen your hair with water a little bit. Then I go ahead with my oil before I seal it off with my hair butter. So this is the LOC method. You can also do the LCO method, whichever one works for you. So moisturizing once or twice a week it might not do much for some people because our hair texture is different, our hair type is different. So for some people it might take 3 days for their hair to dry out. For some people it might take up to a week to dry out. You need to study your hair in order to know how long it takes for your hair to feel dry, so that you can set up your routine based on that. Having said that, I go ahead to moisturize my hair, seal it off with my hair butter, and I also make sure to moisturize the ends of my hair properly. Like, this is the aspect I give a lot of attention to because the ends of our hair are the oldest parts. they can break off easily, so you want to add more products to the ends of your hair. Whatever you're using, you want to make sure you add a little extra to the ends of your hair to keep it properly hydrated. That is how I moisturize my hair. I hope you've learned one or two things from the few tips that I've laid down. That will be all for today's video. I'm just going to put my hair in a ponytail, braid it up, and tuck the ends of my hair in. That is what we call protective style, because you want to protect the ends of that hair from rubbing against your shoulders, your t-shirt, and all that. If you know you've learned one or two things from this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.